analyzer and generator. This is a custom GPT we have created. So let's see what does this tool do. In this, we can give three inputs that are name, email address, and the subject. When we click enter, when we submit the prompt, we can generate the prompt completion regarding to the subject that we have given. Let's see the how we have created this GPT. First of all, let's see about so email analyzer is a tool that extracts key details. So it extracts the details, help us categorize and prioritize, and this will like send email to the webhook. It will trigger the webhook that we have created in Make. Let's see how we have created this. So this is our custom GPT. All right, we have given the description and the name. Here are the instructions. So the instructions are quite straightforward. The main thing is this. So it will actually ask us if the email that we have created according to the subject is right or not. Is it suitable or not? After that only it will trigger the webhook. So let's see. We have written this open API schema so that it will extract the email name subject and the GPT response, the response that this will create. Okay, enough of the talking. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I will give him three parameters. Okay, email. Let's keep a short example. Last one is the subject. Now it will now we will just start our webhook so that we can get the data in our webhook in make.com. Okay, we'll press enter. We'll wait for the response. So you can see I will draft an email regarding this subject. So it is extracting the subject from the input we have given, and it will create a email, like email body with subject, the message, and regards. It will ask you if this is fine for you or not. So I'll say yes, this is fine. Now this will send the data to webhook. Before that it will ask you, because this webhook is only for us, right? So we'll confirm it and we'll wait. This email has been successfully sent. Let's see on our make scenario if we have got the data or not. And here the email, the name, the subject, and the response. And this data is dynamic. Let's see if we want to change the name, the subject, and then give another input to the like the custom GPT. It works very similar to the chat GPT. All right. Now change the name to Rohit, and subject should be same. Let's hit enter. Let's see if this sure. Here is the updated mail, right? Okay, I'll send this updated email to webhook. Okay, we'll start once again. We'll say yes, confirm. We'll wait for some time. Talked to the webhook URL and it is updated now. Let's see the updated one. Yes, the name is updated.